In this video, I will show you how to change pool address in batch mode. For changing pools, you have to navigate to the Devices page from the sidebar menu. First, filter the devices you want to change pool and select them. Then, click on the Change Pool button on the top of the table. In the opening pop-up menu, there are 4 methods for changing the miner pool. Number 1. Only pool URL. In this mode, only the pool address or URL of anyone you want will be changed, without changing the worker or password. Here is an example of how they change. Also, you can choose not to change of the pool address. Number 2. New subaccount.currentConfig. As you may already know, the worker ID consists of 2 parts separated by a dot. Keep in mind that you should only enter the first part of your worker ID known as the sub-account. The second part, that is unique for every device, will remain unchanged. Here is an example of how they change. As you see, just the first part of the workers will change. If you only want to change the worker and keep the current pool URL, choose Don't Change URLs box. Setting the password is optional. Number 3. New subaccount.sequence. In this mode, the first part of the worker name, the part before dot character, known as a subaccount, will be set to the given value, and the second part will be set to a number. Mineitor will assign a number in incrementing order, starting from a specified number to each miner. Here is an example how they change. As you see, worker's name will change like this. Starting number set to 1. Number 4. Single worker. In this mode, you can set a worker name to all the selected miners. Keep in mind, in this case, you will see only one worker in the pool for all of the selected miners, with the hash rate of the sum of all miners. Here is an example of how they change. Workers will change starting number set to 1. After changing, click on the Change Pool button and the Mineitor will apply the setting on all the selected devices. There will be a config icon beside the devices. This means that the config is being sent to the miner and it takes time for change to take effect, and it will be changed later. If it turns to exclamation mark icon, means that the configuration has been failed. If it turns to success icon, means that the configuration is successful. You can see the history of configurations of each device from 3-dot menu in front of each device by clicking on Setting History, or from the main menu, Logs, Configurations. To increase security, Mineitor provides an anti-theft feature that helps farm owners prevent unwanted pool changes. If you lock the pool setting for your farm, Mineitor won't allow the pool settings of the devices to be changed except through Mineitor's panel, by reverting back to setting before changes. You will get a notification of any change. In order to lock your farms in your dashboard, click on the lock icon on the top left side of the farm part in the dashboard. It will change to lock icon. If you had any question or problem, feel free to create a ticket from your dashboard or talk to us using website live chat service.